Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani died a very sad man, okay? Died defecating next to his bed, and then he fell on his bed and he died. Okay, this is how he died. He was disease ridden. Did you know that? He claimed to be Masih Maud. He claimed to be the Messiah. You know, the term Messiah, the term Masih mean, one of the meanings is that the one who touches people, Masaha, the one who touches people and heals them. Okay, Jesus, Isa Asalam, one of his greatest miracles was that he would touch people and he would heal them. Here we have a man called Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani who claims to be Masih Maud, the promised Messiah, who was disease riddled with disease, diabetes, diarrhea for years. His son, wait. His own son in Siratul Mahdi.
I just wanted to say that don't be overheated.
His own son, wait. His own son in Siratul Mahdi writes about him that my father suffered from severe bouts of diarrhea for years, and he was Masih Maud. He was the promised Messiah. He was the return of Jesus. So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, who you claim to be the Messiah, could not even heal himself, let alone others. How can he be the return of Jesus Christ?